ultimate garage is on display. And what's that over there?
I forgot which.
And you still got your Christmas tree up. Why do you have your Christmas tree up?
Is that Daddy? He forgot to take out when it was trash.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So. All right.
Okay,
So
let's show Daddy.
we're in business here. So what you wanna show off what is that green thing standing right there? What is that?
Grayson, not that.
All right, hold on. Wait a
You
minute.
gotta wait. So Grayson, you gotta wait. So,
Wait a minute, but
so
okay.
Grayson, see this? So you see this? Grayson?
Yeah.
So we got this for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
I put it, Grayson. And so I'm gonna show you that.
You assembled it without mommy and daddy, basically.
Yeah.
You and Grayson. So you did it yourself.
Yeah.
He did a good job with it because it said parents assembly required, but these guys figured it out.
I'm a master builder.
Master builder, all right. Good.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you around.
Architect at its best.
So this is the ultimate garage.
Right.
So Grayson. So there's a level right there that you can put it up. You put 2 cars down there.
Yeah.
And then there's a thing that you can put in the e-cars and then you just watch.
Oh, so what's
like
that?
a
Wow.
And some of the cars get stuck.
Some of them. Does he poop the cars out?
Yes, from his back into that.
Oh, wow.
So you're wondering, how do you start to move that? So these little things back here, they're like little yellow things back here. See?
So you want me to come over and show?
Yes.
Okay.
So you see these little things?
Yeah, okay.
Right here. It makes the dinosaur go down.
Oh.
It's a dinosaur go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then this is like this. So that Chris is gonna show you. Look, see. So that if you want to do that, it goes straight, and then if you want to do that, sometimes it goes that way, or it can go.
It goes like stop right here.
And then try to go up there. So, okay.
Cool. All right. So you want to do it again? So what's the object of this whole ultimate garage? Why is it so? How many cars does it hold?
100.
100
Yeah,
cars?
let me show you the box.
Ridiculous.
The box. Actually, it actually says it costs 100 cars.
Okay.
See, it says it right on the cover right
So
here.
you save the box.
Parts 100.
Parts 100 plus cars.
Yeah.
So that's a lot.
Yeah.
So maybe 110, 105, 120. Okay, cool.
Okay.
So it says escape the what?
So it says escape.
On the side, let me see. There you go.
Oh, it's escape the chopping T-Rex. It says it right here, but it's like.
Ooh, escape the chasing T-Rex.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it again. Let's see.
Okay.
The whole object of it is not to get gobbled up by the big giant green T-Rex.
Yeah.
With his fiery eyes and his sharp teeth.
That has some
That's
cars in
crazy.
its mouth.
So it has cars in his mouth. Okay.
Yeah, no, like pretend cars.
Okay.
Okay, we're
So
gonna
he's
pick.
gobbling it up the
So
cars.
we have some fast cars, some slow cars.
Where's the cars that you got?
Oh,
that
good
you
from
held up?
Giant.
Let's see.
So
So you got these cars. You got these cars just they're inexpensive.
always
They're
that giant $1.
Always that giant.
So Grace got a Lamborghini. I got a racing car. Look at
Oh,
this.
let's see. Where's yours?
Right here.
So what does it say? New for 2020?
It's 2022. It says new for 2020.
Yeah, 2020. So that's an old one.
Yeah.
But it's so
And
you want me
Grace-
to help you open up? No
Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. So this is Grayson got a Lamborghini. We got like so we got like 3 Lamborghinis.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open it. Grace, ready to open it?
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can open
Here.
Cool. So you
Okay.
can add more tracks on here too, right? On the bottom.
Yeah, they're right there.
Those tracks are right here.
We got a lot of tracks. So we can
Cool.
Grayson, show it to the camera what it looks like out the box.
Oh.
Turn around. Oh,
Right.
that's awesome.
Right.
Look at that.
Look at that. And I'm gonna open up mine.
So you think your Lamborghini is fast enough to escape the dinosaur jaws? Let's see whose car is fast
We gotta
enough.
go to the
Guys,
Lamborghini.
what car you think is going to be fast enough?
We gotta build it. Guys, what do you
Okay.
think? Which one?
This one is gonna be a back. When the cars be a back, they get eaten by the dinosaur.
Really? Yeah,
Look at this, I
but
got another
So which one is
Lamborghini.
that's another Lamborghini. Ooh, I can't see it. Let me see. Oh, right there. Cool. All right.
Okay,
So-
wait.
So it goes down at the same time?
Yes.
Oh,
look.
wow.
So Lamborghini first.
So they go up at the same time,
Yes. Okay, let's see.
and then you crank it up.
crank it up.
Oh
What
my
up?
goodness!
And the cars eat some people.
Wow, that's a
You can-
furious, furious dinosaur.
Okay, that
Can
guy
you
just.
break some teeth inside?
Okay, ready, set, go.
Go!
So who got eaten up? Nobody.
Me.
You did?
I just got pooped out.
Oh wow! It was so fast. Do it again.
Look.
You were so slow.
You.
Oh wow! It slashed your tires in half and everything.
Yes, it just destroyed. It just ate. It just went right down his throat. Like,
We gobbled it up.
okay, that's round 2. That's
Round
gonna win.
2.
I'm still gonna die.
Let me see.
That's okay.
Here we go.
3, 2.
1. Go!
Don't die. Again.
Whoa!
Again.
I
Come
saw
on.
that one. Who got eaten up?
Me again.
You did?
Look at this.
So why does it?
Look
so
at
who
mine.
goes down first? That's what I'm saying. So
So
that
great.
flips up.
So Grace, so it opens. I know why it's not going because sometimes it slows down on the yellow things right here.
Okay, you can do it again.
And let's see. I'm still gonna get eaten.
Try it again. Let's see if we can get a close up and see what really is going on.
So it goes around and around and around until the other dies. And then if you want to so if you want to turn it off, you just switch that and that. So Grace, you want to turn it off or keep it on?
No, turn it. Keep it on.
Ready, set, let's go.
3 rounds.
Third round.
Third round.
Let's go.
I think the dinosaur is hungry. Look, he's just opening his mouth.
If I die, I don't want to get pooped out again. So, yes! Yes!
Oh, they escaped. Good job. We had a good visual on that one.
I didn't get eaten.
That's good.
Round.
Fourth
Fourth
round.
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 Fourth and final round.
Look at this.
That's good. Where are the scratches on the car? No scratches?
No scratches.
No tires punctured by the sharp teeth?
This one to fix the car.
And you got like,
Santa Claus.
Wow.
So you
So it
can,
doesn't matter who's down.
ready.
I see. You're the back one. So both of them go down the same time. Okay, I'm looking at it.
Okay, let's see.
So it pops.
I
It
hope
tips
I don't.
it gets to a certain point. It tips the car back.
No!
Oh, got you. Wow.
Oh, it went down. It went down and then it rolled out.
It did.
It rolled out.
That's
It landed.
awesome.
Come on, man.
This one new cars or cars that come in.
So if you attach some of these,
Yeah, there's two in the back.
How much can you? Is two attachments in the back for you can so you
Yeah.
can
And I
build,
put these.
so you can build on this existing toy. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, let's show our other toys. What's this? This big loop-de-loop. Bring it over, big guy.
We lost some of the connectors. Come on, man. Okay, let's put this back.
No, we didn't. I said I was gonna.
No.
All right. So what is this? What is this? I hope you know the name of it. What is it?
The ultimate.
You forgot?
The ultimate love.
So how do you? So you already turned it on.
So literally, it has a big loop.
Okay.
So
All
it
right,
has
let's see.
so it has a big loop. So it goes
Right.
around and then it goes there. So you boost
Two
it.
guard rails there in the middle.
So you boost it
Like
and
this.
Two guard rails.
And you can
Yeah.
smash it like that. Or
So that's the launcher. Is
and
that a
if
launcher?
you go right here,
Right.
you can go. I
Oh,
bet
so
my
you got two. So this is like the crisscross crash
Yeah, but-
mechanism. Not, Okay, so wait a minute. What's up top here? What are these?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you.
Parking lot.
Oh, you have
can
extra
park.
cars that you can park your cars there?
Yeah, we'll see.
Additional cars on top? Cool. Oh, you can do it by hand, but it has to propel itself through that wheel. Okay,
So
go ahead.
that's
Let it rip.
ready, set, go.
Wow. So it's a continuing. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, so it can lose its momentum, and then it can fall off, fall out of the loop.
Okay, let's go watch this. There's another one.
So is that the car that came with it, or where's the car? Oh, it depends on how hard you hit that.
Yeah, but it might, it's because it might break. Okay, let's see if my power.
You can start from there too. Oh, no, you
Yeah,
can't start
you
from
can start from there. Let's see if my power.
You got the cars go like this, like that.
They just go from here to there.
Go ahead. Wow.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa.
That's fun.
All right, guys, we're in it. Look at that. Doing 100 miles an hour.
You can put 2 cars in.
Look at that. You can put 2 cars?
Yeah, but sometimes it doesn't work. They crash. They
Why
got.
do you like this one?
They got it.
If they go the both ways, they go like this.
So you like both of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ultimate Garage?
Like this. Like this.
Yeah, we got.
How much do you like it?
Because how much do you like?
You like it a lot?
Oh,
Yeah. All right, that's good.
So
Well,
it's
not bad.
over 3 feet, 90 kilometers tall.
Centimeters. Kilometers. Okay.
1, 2,
kilometers.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Well, that's
14,
good. That's a good
15,
guess.
17, 18, 19.
So, what do you want to tell your viewers?
I hope you had a good Christmas and I hope you got like a lot of stuff.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, it's not Christmas.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Have fun playing with your toys. Hope
Yeah.
you enjoyed watching our videos. Subscribe for some more videos, fun videos.
Oh.
Jzander Toys TV.
All the stuff. Just
See you later.